Like dating, I just what is my life? I'm planning a first birthday and I'm on Hinge and Bumble.
Life right now is a movie. Yeah, wish the soundtrack was groovy. Too bad I'm frustrated, I'm moody.
Hello everybody. I am having 1,000 emotions, feelings, thoughts right now. A lot of them are stress, I'm not gonna lie. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I had been working on this vlog for 3 days and I didn't realize my mic was out of battery. So everything is silent. Pretty much the vlog was like prepping for Arrow's first birthday, which is now super around the corner. Like I was already doing stuff last minute and I was already feeling emotional about the fact that I have a 1-year-old. Okay, let's just take a minute. Let's just hang out. Like my vlog before was cute. I really liked how it was, but obviously it didn't work out for a reason. And I feel like we just need to chit chat because I know a lot of you guys are on a similar timeline to me. I feel like a lot of us have or are about to have a 1-year-old, and I have never been more emotional about a birthday. I also feel like just so many things are happening at one time. We do have a lot we need to chit chat about. Like I think my breastfeeding journey is over. I have a 1-year-old. I don't know if I should or shouldn't date. And I'm also just a little bit of a mess again. Let's first hop into Arrow's birthday because that is happening like ASAP, which does bring us to today's sponsor, who is Cricut, and such a cute way to do DIY, personalized decor, party favors for a birthday. I did use the Cricut for my wedding party favor. I'll put in a photo now if I can find it, which I realize right now is weird to talk about, but I did have experience in the past using it. But I've always used my friends, so I'm so excited that Cricut sent me the Cricut Joy, which is the smallest Cricut you can get, which makes it the easiest to travel with, which is what I did. I brought it to my parents' house when I went to visit last weekend, and I got started on crafting, doing some DIYs. I came up with a really simple project. Before I get into my project, I'm gonna talk to you like you don't know what the Cricut is. It's the smartest cutting machine. I'll pop on the screen a bunch of projects that just inspire me in general. Like I said, I think it's great to personalize a party favor or a decor item, but you can even use it to personalize something around the house. Like if you have storage bins, label it however you want in whatever font. They do have templates you can use, but you can pull anything off the internet, put it into the program, which if you have experience in Adobe Photoshop or just even watching, I would say 1 or 2 YouTube videos on how the program works, it is really intuitive. I think you can get it down in like 15 minutes. So once you install the Cricut program onto your mobile device or computer, you are pretty much set to design, get creative. For my project, I did pull Arrow off the internet, a symbol that I use in a lot of my videos, and it does obviously symbolize my daughter's name, Arrow. Just sized it to exactly how I wanted it, and I went ahead and printed it on the smart vinyl. With the Cricut Joy, you don't even need a cutting board, so everything's really fast, really simple. The smart vinyl is like a little sticker, so you can peel and stick and put it on anything you want. I got these matte reusable cups in different colors off Amazon, and my plan is to peel and stick these arrows and put them on these cups. I highly suggest, if you are a creative and you love doing little personalized, individualized things, I will link it down below for you. Thank you again, Cricut, for sponsoring today's video. I'm definitely excited to see what else I can plan with it. I'm already thinking of like some cool Marie Kondo storage type thing. And also, you don't need to be the most creative person in the world. There are so many great ideas for the Cricut on Pinterest. I will also link some of those down below for you guys to check out, get some ideas. And now let me take you through some of the other things I planned for Arrow's birthday. I am not a party planner. I have never planned a party in my life. Like, even when it's my birthday, I'm like, if someone wants to do a dinner, we can do that, but like, I'm not gonna text anyone. I just realized in this vlog I haven't even said Arrow's birthday theme yet. I'm getting so thrown off because I've already filmed this all for like the past 3 days. But yeah, Arrow's birthday does have a theme. It's a very simple theme. You can steal it if you want. It is floral, and I picked this because everyone can wear floral print. Most people have floral print, and for decor, flowers for the most part. But I am definitely keeping things very simple. I'll put on screen a photo of the cake that I'm ordering. To be a very difficult thing to get a smash cake. It's almost as much as the other cake, and I did not think it was going to be an issue because it's like a thing, right? I feel, is it not a thing? If I thought that there was a possibility that I could bake an okay cake, I would have tried. So instead, we're doing a super simple cake. It's called a naked cake, and it's vegan, and it's the cheapest cake you can do. And my plan is to buy a rose day of and stick it on the cake. To go with the floral theme, I did get a BB flower crown from Etsy, and it is so cute. I'll put it down below if you want to copy me. Totally go ahead. I believe it was under $25, and once seeing it, I realized that it was most likely made with the Cricut. The one on it, I'm pretty sure was made with the Cricut, but I don't know if I could have made the actual crown with the other flower stuff. For the outfits, like I said, again, floral print. I found the cutest. This is actually what spurred my theme, was this dress. I follow the mom who owns Sun Peony Coconut, which, if you don't know, is a mommy and me clothing store that is very expensive, so I haven't bought anything. So cute, and I think she's a mom to like 2 or 3 girls. I just remember it was a photo of 2 of our girls in this dress. It comes in pink and it comes in mint, and I have never so quickly looked at a photo, tapped on the tag, went to the store and bought it like immediately on my phone. It is just exactly what I envisioned for a birthday dress, which is silly because, not silly, but it's funny because if you know me, I tend to do very comfy, cozy, neutral clothes, but when it comes to like a dress, like I like a tutu. I like super cupcakey dresses. If you've seen any of the dresses I've ever decided to wear, they're very cupcakey dresses, and I just feel like this is like a loofah tutu cupcake dress with daisies on it. Love it. For my dress, I am still on the lookout because the dress I do want is very expensive, and so I want to make sure that I try every other option before I commit on that dress, because it's not my birthday, but it's also like 1 year postpartum. We did it. How do I put this? I'm gonna be with extended family, and as much as everything's great, I still want to look like a bomb ass bitch. I've tried it on and I look so good at it. I am looking at other options, but I am also looking at that dress. We have the cake, the outfit, the crown, the theme, the decor. I did go ahead and go to Zazzle, and I got plates made that just say Arrow's first birthday. I don't know, I probably could have just done simple plates, but I kind of liked that I could keep it as a keepsake. And then they got me and they showed me like I could get matching napkins. So I got matching napkins. That's kind of the extent of my extravagance that I did. And then for the cake, I got bamboo silverware from Amazon. It was inexpensive and better for the environment because I am doing the paper plates, but I'm doing the reusable cups. I'm trying to find my flow. Yeah, I think that is it for the details on her birthday. I feel like I'm in between like super simple and basic. To me, that's like just a cake and like a balloon, and then something like super extravagant. I'm not a big party planner. I don't really know how to do what I'm doing, but I think I'm somewhere sitting in the middle. Another thing I updated you in the vlog that never happened is the breastfeeding situation. I was showing you what I'm working with because I've noticed just a decrease in size, a decrease in Arrow's interest. We still are like every 3 hours. I get asked that question a lot. I just mean like sometimes she won't want to do both sides, or sometimes it'll almost just be like she's pacifying. And when I wake up, I don't feel as engorged. I still am leaking. I really thought leakage was like your milk regulating or coming in. I didn't think it was gonna be a year-long battle. Like, yes, I don't wake up super engorged anymore, but if my pad slips to the side, or God forbid, I'm too tired and I forget to put them on, which has happened a couple of times, everything is just soaked. Which I do know doesn't happen to everyone. I don't want to scare you. Or if it's not happening to you, think there's something wrong with your supply. Some people never have leaky anything. I'm not one of those people. And then, no, I still don't have a period. Isn't like a end-all be-all signifier if your supply, if something's wrong with it or if it's ending. People totally get it back early postpartum. I still haven't had mine back. But I am noticing a shift in my mood, my skin, my appetite, the way I'm regulating heat. Like, I'm just constantly sweating, I'm having hot flashes. At the same time, I feel like scattered brained and foggy, like it's harder for me to talk. It feels like that postpartum mind. I definitely just feel a shift in my hormones. Definitely more hormonal. I keep wanting to cry over like insignificant things. Well, okay, I was watching Netflix's Fatherhood. Have you seen that, guys? I bawled. That was sad. But a lot of shows are making me cry. Like, not real life problems are making me cry, but TV shows, songs, TikToks. Arrow smiled at me in this beautiful smile I had never seen. Like, it was like a developmentally changed smile, and it made me cry. When I tried filming this 3 days ago, cried. Can you tell I'm running out of ways to be dynamic in my environment while filming? I really wanted like a vlog in different spaces, but because of this fiasco, I only have this nap today to film this entire video. But that's okay. We will go with the flow and we'll talk about the final thing that we're diving into today, dating, which I know I've talked on this channel about dating myself, and that is still totally my goal, and my number one priority is 2000% is and always will be Arrow. And then of course taking time to myself, giving myself love and respect, learning about myself, growing. But if I'm being so honest with you guys, it would be nice to have physical connection. How is there an appropriate way to say this? Not even that, but just having an adult moment and going on a date. Like, I know I don't have the time in my life right now to develop a connection with someone else. But yeah, I've totally downloaded Bumble and Hinge, and it's just, the last time I was on the dating scene, apps weren't around. And so I'm trying to learn how to navigate this while I don't have the time to actually meet anybody. So I just feel like I'm wasting my time talking to people. I just don't understand how moms date. Like, I know it's done. I see it happen successfully. But realistically, with my time with Arrow and my time working, I know I essentially have 3 hours a week for a date that I could carve out. Like, I think I could do 3 hours, but is that worth it to me? And is it worth it to the other person? That is what I'm struggling with. Like, is it even worth it? Yeah, that is gonna be my TED Talk for today. Let me know if you have any advice or suggestions or support on this topic. I really don't know where I stand on it completely for myself. I think I could go a million different directions. I know today's vlog was a super unusual one. I'm not sure how I'm gonna edit this with my silent footage. Oh shoot, I just realized I had like a whole 4-hour segment on cleaning and organizing my house with a toy rotation with my mom, like getting super organized, and I totally deleted like the after of it, and my house is already a mess again, so I can't even show you the after. But that is something that I did do for like 2 days of my life that is now also a mess, and I don't even have evidence that it happened. And Arrow is waking up. I'm gonna go, I'm gonna leave you with that, let you chew on it, sit on it, digest it, throw it back at me. If you did like today's video, give it a like. Thank you. I respect you working with me on this one. If you have any requests or advice, leave them in the comments down below. Always love to hear from you guys. I love to see also when you guys help each other in the comments with questions. Love that. And I will see you guys next Monday. Bye!
Life right now is a movie.